There are a few ways that you can get your PC to shut down after a download, but the easiest and most user-friendly way that I've found is to just simply set a shutdown timer. So if your download is saying it's going to take 3 hours, we can just tell Windows to shut the computer down in 4 hours. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your computer is not going to shut down itself if you leave it. To do that, I would just go to Start, I would go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power and Battery. And if you go here to Screen, Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts, you want to make sure that once your device is plugged in or it's on battery, Make My Device Sleep After is changed to Never. This will mean your device will never go to sleep. You can keep the setting on here which will turn off your screen monitor after 10 minutes, which is fine. We just need the device not to go to sleep. Now if your download is, let's say, 2 hours and you want your computer to turn off in 2.5 hours or 3 hours, you can just simply go to the Start menu, type in Run, and then I'm going to leave this command in the description below, shutdown space -s space -t. This will tell the computer to shut down after a specific time. So all you need to do is go ahead and convert the time into seconds. To do this, I would just come to Google, type in hours to seconds. If your download's done in, let's say, 2 hours and you want to make sure it shuts down in 3 hours, just to be sure, we can put 3 hours here and then we can copy the time in seconds, then go to Run command and just paste in that time here, just like that. Then if you click on OK, it's going to give you a sign out reminder and it will shut down in the time you've just entered. That's a great workaround without downloading any sketchy software.